A day after the declaration of Delhi Assembly election results, Bharatiya Janata Party BJP Delhi Chief Manoj Tiwari offered his resignation on Wednesday, February 12, sources said. But the BJP top leadership has asked Tiwari to continue as Delhi BJP chief for now. BJP secured victory on only 8 seats of the 70-member House, while the ruling Aam Aadmi Party AP won a thumping majority with 62 seats. Soon after voting for the Delhi election ended on February 8 and exit polls predicted the AP coming back to power, Tiwari had claimed and even tweeted that BJP would form the government in the national capital by winning a big majority. BJP President JP Nadda, however, will be holding a meeting with the General Secretaries on Wednesday evening to discuss the party's poor show at the recently concluded Delhi Assembly election. After the election results, Manoj Tiwari had taken the responsibility for the defeat in a press conference at his residence on Tuesday. Notably, 8 newly elected BJP MLAs will meet Delhi Party Unit Chief Manoj Tiwari here on Wednesday evening. The 8 BJP MLAs are Vidyendra Gupta Rohini, Mohan Singh Bisht Karyal Nagar, Jitendra Mahajan Rohtas Nagar, Ajay Mahawar Gonda, Anil Kumar Bapai Gandhi Nagar, Abhay Verma Laxmi Nagar, Prakash Sharma Vishwas Nagar, and Ramveer Singh Bidhri Badarpur. Tiwari, who joined the BJP in 2013, climbed the ladder of success in a short span of time. In 2014, the party gave him the ticket for the Lok Sabha election from Northeast Delhi and he became an MP in the Modi wave. Thereafter, the party made Tiwari the state unit chief in 2016, eyeing the Purvanchali vote bank. Earlier in the day, senior Congress leader PC Chacko also resigned as the Congress in charge for Delhi after the party's dismal performance.